Hey everyone, welcome back to Allie in Beautyland. This tutorial is going to be featuring all Aveda products from their autumn winter collection called Birds of Paradise. I hope you like it. Here goes. I started by using the Inner Light Tinted Moisturizer and concealer underneath the eyes. This is a plummy look, so I really packed that mauve color on her lid. I highlighted the brow bone with Glacial Lotus, and I also put it on the tops of her cheekbones. The blush is really shimmery, so I applied it only to the apple of the cheek and blended it out with a bronzer. So here's the finished pretty plum look. Thanks for watching Allie in Beautyland, and be sure to hit like and subscribe. Bye-bye.